Hi everyone, welcome to Building Public with Jahid. Today is the day 22nd of my 30 days challenge where I'm building a Christmas app and give it away to one of you who will build it further, or me building it and launching it to iOS and Android. Today I'm gonna build an app that shows you how to do Christmas ornament ideas or designs with steps and visuals. So let's start building this Christmas app and let's get it to go. So here's my prompt: build an app that shows DIY you do it yourself Christmas ornament ideas with steps and visuals. We gave it a go. So we are using Natively to build this app. Natively is the web coding tool that lets you build mobile apps without knowing how to code. And this is the day 22nd of my Christmas challenge. I have 8 more days to go. I'm super excited. And yeah, I mean, this is my second challenge that I'm doing. And I think, yeah, it's like quite nice. And I got used to this challenges and building things in public because it has such a great impact and also crazy energy, I feel. Yeah, so it's super excited. So I'm waiting for Natively to build me. And of course, I need the Supabase for this. I'm going to link that in a bit. But yes, I'm going to do it in a second. So I'm going to connect the Supabase here, the app with Networkify. This is the project that I have been using. So I can actually go see it. So we have 65 tables, which are all from previous apps that we have built. So for you, I suggest to create a new project in Supabase and then link your project or your app with that. Okay, so the homepage doesn't show, but we can see the design. Nice. So we can see it here. Let me build the backend. I'm going to do the Supabase here. Let's connect the Supabase and build the backend. I'm going to open this app on my phone on Expo Go and then see how that looks like. Yeah, I can see it in my phone, so it looks good. Yeah, I have to work out with the design part and also with the homepage part. We have 65 tables. Then let's see how many new tables are being added once our app is connected. Let's check it out. Yeah, we had 65. Now we have 69 tables. So we have 4 new tables. Let's go and check it out. I don't know the name of the app. Oh yeah, here. Ornaments steps, ornaments materials. Yeah, so here we are. Nice. It has everything. Cool. I'm gonna work with this page, I'm gonna try to ask AI to actually change it because I didn't like this, There should be a home page which it shows well. So yeah, I'm gonna give the prompt about the design. This make the design. So there you go. I'll check the app on my phone because yeah, it's important to check the app on your phone just to see how it looks like, but also to see if the asks are being implemented. Yeah, but then the color is, black, and then I cannot see a text below the white one, so I have to change that. Nice, yeah. So we have now a nice design in the homepage. That's kind of cool. Yeah, I can see it also on my phone. This is nice. Yeah, this is something that I wanted. And then we also have the ornaments here. Yeah, cool. This is cool. I like this. So yeah, you just have to prompt and then ask AI to do what you want, and that's that simple. Also, we don't have the authentication part. We connected the Supabase and build the backend, but it didn't add the authentication. We have to ask AI to build that and make sure that we have that because that's very important to have the authentication, the login part in the app. Of course, we can skip this login part because we don't need to have the account, but it will be nice, if you can actually show and have account there. So that's nice. I'm gonna write the prompt. Let's add the authentication. Nice, this is done, which I like the design. It's red, green, black. I mean, not black, but yeah, it's almost, it's black actually. So let's add the authentication port and then we are good to go. And then of course, it's up to you what you want to add, new features. But yeah, the idea is just, to keep this nice and simple to use. Let's give this go. Yeah, the app looks amazing. So we just built the simple Christmas app, which actually helps us to design ornaments which are step by step explained. Yeah, that's nice. So we can go here. We can see things here. Yeah, pretty good. Nice. We have now the authentication here. So I can log in. Let me try it out. Nice. Here we are. Yes, I don't know why okay, screen went dark. Yeah, you can see it here. So this is I log in. Nice. I have a nice profile page, which just looks nice. I have the ornaments, designs here, the steps by step, and then now I have the home page. This was it. Yeah, I just built a simple app to actually let us know how to do the Christmas design ornaments ourselves and shows us step by step on how to do it. Thanks a lot for watching me. This is the 22nd day of my 30 days challenge where I'm building a Christmas app and give it away to one of you who will build it further, or me building it and launching it to iOS and Android. Thanks a lot for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, and share it with your friends, but also share what you're building and if you have some ideas for the next 8 days. Have a nice evening and enjoy your Monday. Bye. See you tomorrow.